Hey guys, look at what we found. Well, I take that back. I'm up here at Harrison's garage, and they had a customer bring this vehicle in. It's a barn find. The customer found this sitting in the barn. I forget how many years he said it was sitting in there. It looks like it was in the city of Durham, North Carolina for a long time. 1962 to, well, I guess that's the tag number. So it must be a 62 model. I don't know, what year is this thing, guys? Let's see, the inspection sticker has 06. So it was probably last on the road in 07. And it's been repainted. You can see the clear is popping off. And it's a Ford Falcon, inline 6. I believe he said it was 3 on the tree. We'll check that in a minute. But the damn thing is in really nice shape. Somebody put the Speedster Bonneville salt flat hubcaps on it. Still wearing its original dust from when it was parked in the barn. Yeah, I see. So look here. Still, this is a cool car, man. Let's see if we got anything on the tail light that can help us confirm the year. Every time I do one of these, people say, "Get the tail light out." Like I don't know that. I don't see a number on tail light, guys. It makes me a bad person, I know. Let's see if this one's got one. Nope. See, the reason I don't like relying with that is because parts can get swapped over, and sometimes aftermarket parts don't have a date on them also, if it's been replaced. So you can't always go by that. Cool as I don't know what all. Yeah, we got a little peeling going on up here. Now, you want to talk about a sleeper? Yeah, I see 3 pedals down there. Yeah, look at her column shield. The damn dash looks good. It's got a little cup holder made into it. Somebody's reupholstered the seats. The door panels have been redone. It's pretty neat how they did that. Huh. Interesting. Cool as I don't know what. A Ford Falcon. These cars are kind of like the old Valiant that we did the other day. They're real lightweight. I'll try to get in here and see if there was anything on the door jamb. Looks like there is. I don't know. What do you guys know how to decipher all that? That might have been the original color right there, gray. Pretty neat. I want to thank the shop for letting me look at this car. It's pretty cool. Man, it's easy to work on. Look at that. The coil, the plugs, the cap, points, radiator hoses, oil filter. The only thing that might be tough would be the master cylinder. You gotta do something to get fluid in it there. That brace is welded in, so you have to get a funnel with a flexible little end on it. Other than that, this thing would be amazingly. This is what I like about these old cars. They were so simple and they ran so well. Basic old wiring harness, nothing crazy. Man, that is so cool. That is so cool. Clean this thing up. That little 6-cylinder would be a fun little car to drive, good on gas, but if you really wanted to go fast, you put your 8.8 rear end under it. Get your 302 fuel injected motor out of an old Mustang and 5-speed. Kind of keep the mufflers on it so it'd be kind of quiet. And you could hurt some folks' feelings with this car. See a kitty cat been walking on it. We're checking it out. Alright folks, I always like the way they did the hood scoops on these things. Not the hood scoop, but the fake hood scoop. Some of those T-birds were like this. See if we can get this hood closed here. God, what a simple, easy car to work on. Bear with me folks, let me get this put back proper. Alright, there we go. Yes, sir. I have a grill for an old Falcon. I think it's 61. I think the one I got, the parking lights are into right here. I'm not sure 60 or 61, but it's in good shape. If anybody's interested, hit me up. All right, oh look, we got dual mirrors. Nice piece of chrome around the windshield. Okay, folks, hit that thumbs up button. Maybe they get this thing running a little bit better. They think it starts and runs, but it's got a carburetor issue. So we're gonna rebuild the carburetor. Probably tuned it up some. But pretty neat little project there, folks. Make somebody a nice, fun little car. These cars like this are not that far gone. It won't take a whole lot. This is for some of you guys that aren't quite as mechanically inclined as others. You know, this would be a good product. It's not for sale. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying this is a good idea, something to start with. All right, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Didn't know I had you on Zoom all that time. I'm sorry. Tell you what, let me get you another look at that hood. I forgot I had you on Zoom. Walk over here and get you a better look at this. Yeah, there we go. All right. Okay, guys, hit that like button, thumbs up, comment peacefully, nicely. We're trying to bring you cool cars, keep you entertained best we can. The field agents, many of them are on their way to Carlisle for the big Mopar event up there. They left me behind. They wouldn't let me go. So I had to stay behind and run the business. And hit that subscribe button. We bring a lot of cool stuff to you guys. Some of the stuff's for sale. You miss out. We sold almost 30 cars this year. All right, folks, take care. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed the channel. Bob out.